Crimping is the last step before the reed blank is finished. This step shapes the cane around the mandrel to form a cylindrical tube. Pliers with this specially designed hole are very helpful, but not absolutely necessary to perform this step. Bracing one of the handles on the table and pushing down like this will help prevent hand fatigue. First, crimp between the third wire and the end of the reed, rotating the mandrel as you go. Then crimp between the second and third wires in the same manner. Continue to rotate and crimp as you work your way up to the second wire. Try to make this area as round as possible. Do not crimp between the first and second wires. This will likely crack the blade. Carefully remove the reed from the mandrel when you finish crimping, and let it dry on the drying rack.